Every successful maritime project begins with a challenge. Trident BMC, with headquarters in Miami, is a leading turnkey contractor for cruise ship new build and retrofit projects, and a proud member of Trident Maritime Systems, a heritage that dates back to 1916. At our Gdansk office, we transform complex requirements into fully delivered solutions for ships and offshore installations around the world. It starts with a request from a shipowner. Whether it's a cruise ship interior refurbishment, an exhaust gas cleaning system, electrical upgrade, or energy management solution, our sales team begins the process. Our estimators analyze every detail, preparing accurate project costs and schedules. Once approved by management and accepted by the client, a dedicated project manager takes ownership of the project. The journey continues with a kickoff meeting, where planning begins. Every milestone, deadline, and resource is carefully coordinated to ensure successful delivery. Our engineering team develops the technical documentation that drives the project. Every component, material, and system is designed with precision. Based on engineering requirements, materials are sourced worldwide. Furniture and steel elements are manufactured and prepared in our production facilities. Before leaving our facilities, every item undergoes rigorous quality control. Approved materials are packed and prepared for shipment. Our logistics team coordinates global deliveries, while Project HR assembles the right specialists and mobilizes them to the project location. On site, our teams bring the plan to life, delivering complex upgrades, installations, and refurbishments safely, efficiently, and on schedule. From concept to completion, from Gdansk to projects across the globe, Trident BMC, delivering maritime solutions that move the industry forward.